Yes, I have a brand new prop to add to my collection. As you can see by the title, this is Obi Wan Kenobi's lightsaber from episode 4. I have done reviews of the previous 2 lightsabers that he owns, his apprentice and master lightsaber. I have them up here. If you want to check these videos out, I've got links up here. Go see those. But the episode 4 lightsaber is where we're at today. So let's get unboxing. Oh, one lovely antique candle holder. So here we go, episode 4 Obi Wan Kenobi lightsaber, hopefully coming right up. I hope you guys appreciate my my patience here. I've had to wait so that I can bring you guys along. So hopefully this is going to be worth my wait. Okay. Are you ready? Let's... Oh, here we go. Some extras. Here, oh, it's so heavy. Okay. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh my god! Look at that! Holy cow! I really don't know what to say. This is one of the most beautiful replicas I've ever seen or been sort of privileged to hold. It's hard to gauge the weight of this. Can you see that? It's so heavy. Now, this is a amazing replica by a maker called Roman Props. He also made my episode 3 lightsaber, which I have a video on, which you can go and check out if you like. But his pièce de résistance is the episode 4 lightsaber, and this thing is just magnificent. Now, this is the effects version, so it can be installed with electronics, but other than that, it is just about the best replica of all the parts that make this saber that there is. Just the detail and finishing on this thing, it's absolutely insane. And classic sync knob on the bottom. Let's see what we've got here. There. We have a D-ring and 2 little transistor parts which go down here on the clamp. Let's see how we install these. Alrighty. Okay, brilliant. Alrighty, this is not too tricky. We got our little transistors here and they just go through that hole. And then we've got to tighten on a little nut. Nothing too tricky. And there we go. That's them screwed on, looking great. Now let's install the D-ring. There is a pre-drilled hole here, so let's install that. There we are, got the D-ring on. It took a bit of fandangling with my little mini hobby vise, but that is now on there and it's not going to come off. So all in all, this is an absolutely beautiful piece. As of right now, they are still available on Roman's website. I'll of course leave a link in the description below and you can go check that out. Just such a beautiful finish on here too. So legit. And just in case you wanted to see what they all look like together, there they are, the trio of Obi Wan Kenobi sabers. And like I said, I now have videos on each of these if you want to go check those out. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. It's been a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed. I will of course see you guys in the next video, and until then, stay safe, look after each other, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye bye.